Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Pepe. We're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price of Pepe, see what is happening with the price and where we could be going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price of Pepe, as of June 17th, 2023, you guys can see there's about 5 zeros in front of the price. We have gone back to the 100 spot. We're up 1.8% over the last 24 hours in USD, Bitcoin, and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, $420.1 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $127.9 million. So not bad in terms of the growth over the past few hours. We are seeing Pepe really holding around this range quite well, and if things do remain like this, I am expecting Pepe to be headed to that $600 million market cap quite soon. And if we're looking at their Twitter, no announcement as of now, and if we're looking at the overall follower count, it's currently sitting at 307.6 thousand followers. So the community is growing at a tremendous rate. You can see it from the follower count on their Twitter, and not only that, we can also see it at the holders. And you guys can see, I literally told you guys this yesterday, this weekend we can see the price, the holder count reach that 120,000 holder mark, and as of now looks like we are headed to that direction. We still have a few hours left for this day to come to an end, and a whole day tomorrow. We could see at the end of tomorrow 120,000 holders for Pepe, especially if we continue to go towards the upside for the price itself. So things are looking insane, exactly what we were talking about around this level. When the prices were going down, we continue to see OTC transactions increasing, whales wallets increasing. That shows people are optimistic that this is potentially one of the closest things that we have yet seen to Shiba Inu, and that's why a lot of excitement is coming into this project. So that is great to see. But now let's get right in today's price and see what is happening and what are some targets that I could be aiming for in the immediate short term. So if we're looking at its market cap, 420.5 million, the volume is increasing, which is a good sign to see. But let's look at the bigger picture as to what has happened. So basically, when we broke out of this level of resistance, especially this blue line at this 9756 cents mark, we have not broken below it, and that is a great sign. Of course, initial wick back towards the downside, but still we're remaining above that, so that is a great thing to see. And if you pick some up on June 15, like some Pepe, you are up right now a staggering 20% in a single almost 1.5 days. You're up 20% if you picked it up around there, because we did see the price go up to that level of resistance, but we saw a rejection once again because Bitcoin did go to that 24k mark, and which obviously affected the price of Pepe. So if you got in around here, you are already up 20%, so that is great to see. But look where we're finding ourselves stuck at. We're finding ourselves stuck at that same level of resistance which I was talking to you about, and this is extremely important, and this should not be taken with a grain of salt. The reason being, because we've been trying to break out of this range a few times. We've been fluctuating around here, and we did get stopped out literally at that 10407 cents mark. Because if we cross that, in my opinion, we could see the price of Pepe start retesting that June 9th prices, and that will happen quite fast in my opinion, especially after that Binance news, where they have suspended the borrowable assets of Pepe. That is causing a lot of excitement. So I could see another move of about 20% for the price of Pepe quite soon if we do break out of that level of resistance that's coming on our end. And on top of that, a great thing to see right now is that Bitcoin is once again breaking towards the upside and potentially could land its way back into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. And of course, if that were to happen, things are going to go insane. But at the same time, altcoins right now are lagging behind in Bitcoin comparative, because dominance is is still almost at 50% right now, guys, which is literally sky high. So what's happening is exactly what we said yesterday in our videos. You know, I am expecting obviously altcoins to react with the Bitcoin momentum, which we're seeing right now in USD comparative, but in BTC comparative, majority of the altcoins are lagging behind. So that's something that we need to keep in mind. But I'm really liking how Pepe is holding above this blue line. This is what I want to be seeing happening, because of course since that June 10th break towards the downside, we tried to break out here initially, got rejected, and of course you know, this time around, you know, just last night we did break I'm sorry, not last night, yesterday we break out of this range and have been above that level of support since then. So things are looking great nonetheless, but you know, main target right now is to of course clear this level of resistance, and I'm aiming for sometime here for the price of Pepe to be at, and that is going to bring new holders, of course. And of course you guys know what's going to happen when new holders come. You know, we will see this number go up. If I give it a refresh live right now, I'm pretty sure we already have you know, a few new holders coming in, as you guys can see for yourself right now. So new people are coming, and I've told you guys the power of Pepe that it has set for itself. You know, a lot of people are not a fan of Pepe, especially like the Shiba Inu holders, and you know, that is to be expected. But you know, that is the meaning of you know, what's that word I'm looking for? It's just on the tip of my tongue. So barrier entry. So basically what it is, you can't get too comfortable. And I'm not saying Shiba Inu has gotten comfortable. A lot of other meme coins that were in the previous cycle, they get comfortable. They didn't really bring out a utility, but Shiba Inu is bringing out a utility. Hence its, you know, market valuation is still quite high. It's ranked at that top spot. But you know, at that same time, you can't just accept that, you know, there's no other project that can come and be as big or bigger than you. So that is what you know, Shiba Inu holders are kind of not willing to accept. But you know, all the answers are right in front of us. If you really go back to Shiba Inu's beginning, you know, the overall similarities in terms of the launch, the gains, the exchange listings is literally right in front of us. So I'm extremely bullish on Pepe. I think this project has what it takes to reach some insane heights. We're going to take it out obviously one step at a time, but I believe this is just the absolute beginning for Pepe. So that is my overall analysis for today. Of course, I want the price to hold above this blue line. Like, I want the price to stay above there. And of course, if we cross out of that level of resistance, which I just shared with you guys, let me show you guys right here, this level of resistance, I am expecting something like this to happen for the price of Pepe. But let me know down below your personal thoughts. What do you guys think? Are you guys agreeing with this overall analysis? Do you guys have a different take on this? And what is your stance on it? Are you guys accumulating more? Are you guys just holding your Pepe? Let me know in the comment section and tell me if you guys think this is a fake out for Bitcoin or this is definitely a new move towards the upside. So let me know in the comment section. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for the support. See you tomorrow in crypto, ZX, and peace out.